Chef Daniel from Paris Academy. Today I want to teach you guys how to do almond chocolate coffee bar. So first of all, we do the almond dacquoise first. The ingredients have egg white, custard sugar, cake flour, icing sugar, and almond powder. First of all, we beat the egg white until medium peak, and then we add all the dry ingredients inside and then fold together. And put the cake flour, icing sugar, almond powder, and then we put in 7 times 7 square rings. And then we bake in convection oven 160 Celsius, 12 to 15 minutes. So the next step, we do the crispy crumble. The ingredients have butter, icing sugar, cake flour, and egg white. First of all, we put the butter and icing sugar. Then put cake flour. And then we slowly add in egg white. So the third step is white chocolate coffee ganache fonde. So the ingredients have whipping cream, glucose, custard sugar, instant coffee powder, white chocolate, and whipping cream. Okay, first of all, we put the whipping cream, glucose, sugar, coffee powder. So we put the white chocolate in the bigger bowl. So we're using the medium heat to boil it. So after boil, we pour into the white chocolate, and then we mix well. After mix well, we pour in the cold whipping cream. Okay, after that, we direct wrap, and then we put in chiller overnight. So the next step, we do the almond crispy flake. So first of all, the ingredients have almond praline, dark couverture, and just now the crispy flake. So first of all, we put the almond praline together with the chocolate, and then put together to the crispy flake. Mix well, and then we spread on the almond dacquoise. After that, we put in the freezer. So we take it out from freezer. After defrost a bit, we cut in 10 times 3 cm. After finish cutting, we put in the fridge, and then later we will coat one thin layer of chocolate. So we have the almond coating. So the ingredients have dark chocolate, cocoa butter, toasted almond. So we melt the chocolate and then put in one container. Then we melt the cocoa butter, mix together. Okay, mix well. After that, we put the toasted almond nips. Okay, so this is our yesterday white chocolate coffee ganache fonde. So we just pour it into the bowl, and then we're using medium speed to beat. This is our almond chocolate white coffee bar.